Here's a quick video on how to make a website using GitHub and HTML templates. So the first thing we do is go to github.com. You can sign up if you don't have an account, or you can sign in. So I'm just gonna sign in here. And then you'll see your repositories on the left. You might not have anything here yet. Either way, you'll create a new repository. We'll give it a name that's gonna be the name of our website. So I'll pick test site. We can give it a description if we want. This is just a test website. We want it to be public. We can add a README. We don't need to worry about git ignore and a license for now. We'll just say create repository. Here's the repository. It's just got one file in it, the README file. So now we need some HTML template to essentially be the website. So we'll go to HTML up. If we Google HTML up, this HTML5 up site has some nice templates. And so these are all the templates. You can pick one that suits you. Let's see, I'll just pick this one, I guess. We'll download this. It's gonna download it to my desktop. Oh, looks like I already have this. I'll look at it here and we'll unzip it. And we can go into that folder, and here are all the things that make up the website. You can see there's like an HTML file here, and if we open that file in our browser, it shows us what the website should look like. This is what the website would look like. It's all placeholder text. Anyway, but we don't want to, this is just like our browser opening a file. There's nothing on the internet that other people can access. So what we need to do is go back to our repository. We'll go to add files and upload files, and we'll open up all those files that we just downloaded, or open up the folder that contains them, and we'll drag them in here. It's gonna upload all these now, and we just gotta wait. Okay, all done. Down here at the bottom, when we want to now commit these changes to our repository, and so we have to make a note about, a note to track the changes that we're making. So we can call this this is the initial file upload or something, and we could add more descriptive information here if we wanted, but for now that's fine. Yeah, we'll commit this directly to the main branch. It might take a few minutes to process the files, but once that's done, we will see that all the files that we had downloaded from the HTML template website will be in our repository. So that should just be complete in a second here. Okay, so here you can see are the two folders and all the files associated with the template that I just downloaded. Now we'll go to settings. We will go to pages right here on the left. And then we're going to pick to deploy the page from, this branch thing here. We're going to choose this main branch. So we're going to deploy the page right from the branch. We're going to say save, and then we need to wait a second, and in a minute we'll reload the page, and then there will be a link here that will be the link to our website. Looks like we need to wait another second. In the meantime, what I'll do is we can go back to the repository here, and I'll show you something. This index.html file, for example, this is the main page here. So you can see it says spectral and another template and activate and so on. If we want to edit what this looks like, we can open this rather than opening it with a browser. We can open it with some sort of text editor. This is the local version on my computer that I've got. And okay, this isn't very nice. It opened it like this, but this is not looking good. Let's open it with, here we go. Open it with a proper code editor. And then all of the text in here corresponds to the things that show up on the web page. And so let's see if I can get these side by side. Here we go. Okay, so here it says, for example, in this index.html, it says spectral, another fine responsive site template freebie. that's the text that's right here at the top of the page. And so if I wanted this to say something else, like if I wanted this to say, you know, whatever, like the name of what I want my website to be, so this could be like Luke's website, and then maybe I wanted to say, you know, welcome, and then, you know, I don't know, welcome to the site or something. If I save this index.html, and then if I upload that new file to the repository, this index.html, and then I'll say this is like new index.html. If I commit those changes, now that file, you can see I just updated it now. And now when we go to the site that is being served by the GitHub repository, these changes that I just made here will be reflected there. So I can go to settings and pages, and here finally now it took a few minutes, but here it's got the link to my site. So I can copy this URL, I can put it in here, and okay, so you can see it's got the web page, so that looks good. And I think it's going to take a couple of minutes for the changes that I put in this index.html site to take effect at this URL. So if I come back and look at this in a little bit, we should see, maybe if I just reload it, there we go. So now we've got the changes. So it says Luke's website, welcome to the site. And so by modifying this, the text on, you know, in the HTML file here and uploading that to the repository, it changes the website. And then this URL can be used to, you know, you can share this with other people and they can visit this website as well. So here's a basic way to make the website. I guess I'll also say one of the things that came along with the template were all these images. And so these are just, you know, these are just like, this is, I don't know if this is this one. Is it this one? It's this one right here. So this pic03.jpg, if we were to replace this with something else and upload that to the, you know, into this images folder here in the repository, that would replace this image on the web page. So if I have some custom picture that I want to go here, it's this pic03 that I need to edit. Yeah, I think that covers it. That covers how to edit the pictures and how to edit the text, and can take it from there.